Welcome back, amazing developers. Today we're embarking on a journey into the world of Next.js once again. Join us as we implement authentication routes in Next.js by Roots Group. So, happy coding and let's get started. In this video, we'll explore a feature called Routes Group in Next.js. Routes Group help organize projects by grouping routes and project files without changing the URL structure. Let's implement authentication routes for register, login, and forgot password. Create 3 folders: register, login, and forgot. In each folder, add a file with a simple React component displaying a heading. For example, in the register folder, create a file named page.tsx with the component called register that render an h1 with register. Repeat this for login and forgot password. When you go to the browser and navigate to localhost 3000 register, you will register and similar for login and forgot password. To keep things organized in VS Code, create an else folder within the app folder and move the register, login, and forgot folder into it. Update imports in the next folder's page.ts file and save the files. The else folder provides a more structured project, making it easier for new developers. However, note that the routes may not work initially because nested folder affect URL path. For access login and another one, we must type first auth, and after that type login, register, or forgot. The solution is to use routes group. Mark a folder as a routes group by wrapping its name in parentheses. For example, rename the auth folder to parentheses auth. Now, when you go back to the browser, you will see clear URL like register, login, and forgot. The else inside parentheses folder helps organize code without affecting the URL structure. You can have a multiple levels of nested route groups if needed. That covers the basics of routing with pages in the app routes. In the next section, we'll learn about layouts. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one and happy coding!